What's up everyone? Welcome back to a video. Today I'm gonna be installing these Valenti Revos. Like, these were hella expensive, but you know, I said fuck it, bought it. I'm switching these out right now. I have my girlfriend's regular OEM taillights. And here's my lovely assistant behind the lights. Oh my god.
Lighting girl.
The lighting is, I can't. There you go. There she is. But she's gonna be helping me today. So first thing you wanna do is repin them, because these are JDM specs, so I'm gonna show you how to do that. For this Valenti Revos, you gotta repin it because they're JDM spec. You have to, I have this right here. I don't know what it is. It's a Allen key, tiny Allen key. But you're supposed to lift this gate up and repin it. So for the repinning, the green and yellow and the green one switches. There you go. All right, so now you switch these. Make sure you get a little click, the taillights. But I'm just switching the green one I took out and the green, half yellow one I took out. And then after that, close the gate. Alright, so these are the OEM, 17 OEM.
Uh-huh.
You know,
Left signal. You about to upgrade the book.
Sheesh. It's gonna look good in the car. Oh yeah, don't mind. I have extra other taillights in here. You know, I have like a million taillights.
The options.
But first thing you want to do, pop your trunk, and then see if I have a flat. I don't have a flathead. So I got a flathead. There's a pop clip right here. I want to show it right here. You just want to take off this pop clip.
Where is it?
Right here, and then there it is, and it will reveal everything. Okay. Next, there's a 1, 2, 3, 4 of these screws. Just unscrew them. Take this part off. Pretty easy. I really spent 400 extra just for a difference like this.
Boy.
Let's not worry about that. The next step after taking off the screw is you just have to take this thing off right here.
What?
And then after that, lift it up and pull it out.
Wow.
Alright guys, both taillights are off, so now it's just time to put these in. I'm gonna keep this on so nothing scratches. Make sure this part goes in here, right there, and make sure it doesn't break. Take the saran wrap off partially, not all the way. Slide it in. Make sure everything goes inside. And after that, I'm just gonna let me screw these on first. Yeah, so after you're done screwing these back on, plug it back in.
Trying to figure out which way is correct. Right here, this way. And after that, put this back. Here. And put the pop clip back in. So I just have to tuck this back in right here. The lining back in. What the heck? No, there we go. And done. And then repeat for the other side.
What's up, guys? I'm back. Finally finished putting these on, and now time to see what it looks like. Oh wait, now time to take the saran wrap off. So,
Damn. So Chief, what would you rate the process of installing these taillights?
huh?
What would you rate the process 1 to 10 on difficulty?
Like, it's not my first time doing it, so it's like pretty easy.
But for first timers?
First timers, it took me a while on my first time to like work. It's not that hard, but it's a 1 now for me. But yeah. Oh yeah, last step. Just start it up, see if it works. Oh yes sir.
Let's see.
Look at that, look at that. But I'm gonna start up my car and, you know, go flex on the neighborhood real quick.
Yep. Yes. Damn, boy.
What do you think?
Mine is the great value version.
Really?
Yeah, look at it. It's like this. See, that was hella good. It's not like the thin line going through.
Yeah.
It's like a. That's what happens when you got money.
I don't got money like that. I just I don't got money. I'm just stupid with money.
I'm gonna follow his ass. BRZ 86. I'm gonna show y'all, bro, cause sorry to intrude on his vlog, but I got my grandma's one. Anywho.
Sorry for flexing.
Oh my god, rich boy taillights.
Huh?
Rich boy taillights.
Sorry for flexing on you.
He just need to lock his car like 20 times. Just need to be secure. Damn! It makes up for these.
Hey!
The expensive taillights make up for the fact he has stock wheels.
Oh, look.
Yeah, what are those?
Real quick.
Oh my god, his little sugar mama got him those.
Thank you.
Sugar mama that's hella young. Way younger than you. Yes, sir. So when these coming off? What's coming soon?
That was wheels. Your wheels.
Yes, sir. Sheesh, damn. Okay, we're in heaven.
Welcome to heaven. Welcome to heaven, guys.
We died. It's so nice.
Welcome to heaven, guys. Just kidding, but at the shop, finally finished my taillights. So that's how you install some taillights. Me and my assistant right here. Yeah, so hopefully you learned something or you enjoyed the video. like, comment, or subscribe, something like that, if you want. Peace.
Like, comment, subscribe, or else I'll find you.